Sir.
Ma'am, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 17th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, officers were dispatched to an assault call. Officers arrived and spoke with the complaining witness, who stated her and the defendant are neighbors. The complaining witness stated the altercation was only verbal until the complaining witness exited her apartment unit and observed the defendant approach her while calling her names. The complaining witness states that the defendant then struck her 3 times on the head with a closed fist. The complaining witness stated a witness was able to separate them. The complaining witness exited her apartment unit approximately 1 hour later, at which point the defendant approached her again while stating that when the defendant was in jail, she heard the CW was talking bad about her. The complaining witness stated that the defendant then struck her on the face and head with a closed fist 5 to 6 more times. The witness stated he observed the defendant pulling the complaining witness's hair, but did not witness any striking or punches thrown. The officer observed a light red mark on the complaining witness's cheek.
Any alcohol?
Take a closer look here.
Ms. Simmons, I'm going to find if there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm going to tell you now that I will do everything in my power to protect my community at all costs. I don't know what kind of resources you have here, but if you don't have anyone to pony up $5,000 to $10,000 if I revoke your bond, you will be stuck like Chuck in there until this case is over. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I don't want you to have contact with the complaining witness in this case. I don't want you to go within 500 feet of where she lives or where she works. You understand?
11 to 3, 1,411 minutes, 34 seconds bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything UVO1. This is that moment where things shift from accusation.
Judge, after taking a closer look, it doesn't specify whether or not alcohol played a role in this event.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am?
No, I don't. I need one.
Okay. I'll give you an application. We'll see whether you qualify. I need to know everything about you, how much money you have coming in, where from, cars, anything, money in the bank, and then we'll take a look to see whether you qualify.
All right. Thank you.